Join me in making authentic Puerto Rican arroz con pollo. This popular one-pot meal is notorious, and for good reason. It is full of flavor and relatively simple to make. We'll start by seasoning our chicken drumsticks, and I'm using a blend of adobo seasoning, sazon, salt, pepper, and a little bit of tahini just for a little kick. We'll make sure that those drumsticks are evenly coated, and then we are ready to start building our dish. So we'll start with achiote oil or olive oil in our Dutch oven or pot, and we will just brown our chicken drumsticks in this oil. So you'll add them all in, and you'll just continue turning them to get a nice golden brown crust all around each drumstick. And keep in mind, you can definitely do the same recipe using chicken thighs or wings, but this is just the way that I grew up with my mom making it. So once we've got a good browning on all of our chicken, we'll add our sofrito, our onions, and our garlic. Again, everything is just going to get stirred together, evenly combine everything. At this stage, you'll be able to get some of that brown crust off of the bottom of the pan, and then we will add our diced bell pepper and our minced cilantro. Again, just stirring everything around, scraping the bottom of the pan if possible. Then we'll add our tomato sauce, our pimento olives, and our frozen peas. Everything gets one final mix before we add our rice. And can you guess? We are mixing again. This step is really important just so that the rice gets evenly coated with all of that flavor before we add our broth and our water. And once your liquid has all been added to the pan, we'll go ahead and bring to a rapid boil before we lower it and lower all the way to a simmer and cover. And it will cook on low for about 30 to 35 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. We'll toss it together and you are ready to enjoy. Buen provecho.